How to change your Uber profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your profile picture on Uber. Well, the process is a bit little complicated, so let me guide it too. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up Uber and log into your account. Here on the home page, you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then here you want to tap on the profile picture that you'll find beside your name at the top right. Once you do so, you should be headed to the account info page. Now tap again on your profile picture there, and now you can see here it says contact support. Photos can't be edited. Contact us if you want to update the photos. So you cannot update the profile picture on Uber unless you contact the support. You'll have to tap on contact support here. Now here you can see, to protect everyone using the platform, your profile picture can only be uploaded if your appearance has changed, making you unrecognizable, such as significant weight changes, facial deformation, medical conditions, plastic or cosmetic surgery. If your appearance has changed since taking your original photo, please fill out the form below. So down below, you'll have to select here, do extenuating circumstances require that you change your profile picture? You can type in yes, and then if yes, has your appearance changed so much that you can't be identified against the original photo, you can type in yes, and you can explain why your profile picture has been, why you need to change your profile picture, then you will submit it. Once you have submitted it, they'll review that, and then they'll get back to you through your email or through your account, where you'll have to submit your new picture, and they'll review it and they'll change it. So this way you can change Uber profile picture. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.